my name is Aman. I'm going to tell you that why I want to start my new English journey, because I want to be fluent till this year, and we will speak English together because we want to learn English. And you comment to me and tell what's my mistake, and I will accept it. Okay, and you don't like my video, but tell me what's my mistake, and then we will speak English together. Then we all will be fluent. Then we can ask founders the question. Which founder ask us question? Then the founders will go to know what's this happening with these Uttar Pradesh people, and they are trying to learn English. Oh my God! And they will say, oh my God! And then we will start asking them questions. Then they will have to give the answer of a question to us. Then that's why we have to learn English, and English is very useful in full India. That's why we have to learn English. And some that the people that there is no word in English. That's why we want to learn English. And if you want to learn English, you have to describe properly, and then you can learn English. And we guys will learn English. If full Uttar Pradesh people support us, we will know English, and they will also know English. And old people like animals, grandfather, they don't know English because in that condition there were no mobile phones, not anything. That's why they don't know English, and we learn English from the mobiles by listening any video of English and watching any video of English. You can speak English by seeing any video of a story. You can describe it. Then your channel will be successful. That's why you have to learn English, and you can read an English book. If you will read the book, then you want to be successful. That's why we need to learn English if we want to success. And that's the condition that we have to learn English, and then fight with foreigners in speaking English. Then we will be, the Uttar Pradesh will be first country to full learn English fully. That's why we have to learn English. If I do mistakes, please tell me in the comment box, and please forgive me. That's why, because I am not fluent yet. I will get fluent till this year. And bye. We will meet in the next video. Like, share, subscribe. That's all for today.